Hey viewers, today I will try to fix disinfection fogger machine. You can see here is one fogger machine. This fogger machine brand is Amino. Okay, I will try to fix this. This is not a most expensive, but it would be repaired. That's very good. You can see how to open this. Okay. Yeah. Finally, we open the front cover, and you can see here is a main circuit board. This is not more technologies. It is very simple. Here is, you can see this is a power LED and two IC here. One of them for battery charging circuit, and this is a photo bulb sensor, photo sensor. You can see here. Here is some fungus. Maybe sanitizer is put on there. That's why. First of all, we need to clean this all fungus. After that, we try to repair. Okay. I am trying to remove the fungus by thinner wash. Okay. This is very beautifully done. You can see here very clear and clean, neat and clean. Right side one is battery charging circuit, and left side one is sensor counting circuit and power circuit. Here is also lithium battery. We need to check this battery condition is good or not. Red color is a positive voltage and black color is a negative voltage. This voltage is showing perfectly, but we need to check this after attaching the circuit. No, not responding. Okay, now check the battery voltage is okay or not. Oh, here is a 2 voltage. This battery is 3.7 volts battery, but this battery is damaged. We need to change the battery. And covering the PIB tape. But that is okay. Okay, let's see it's working or not. Now put the sanitizer box. That's good. And plug in the charger plug. Power is on, but when I power the on, it automatically sanitizes, it automatically fogging but sanitizes the sanitizer, but the sensor is not working. We need to change the sensor. Here is a two part, one part is receiver and one part is sender. Positive mark and positive direction and negative direction. Definitely you have to check before you before soldering this is marking is okay or not with your sensor. Okay. Okay, let's check it. Power on. Yeah, that is okay. Sensor is working. You can see here it is successfully repair done. Okay, thanks for watching.